in the name of love. When there's madness, when there's poison in your head, when the sadness leaves you broken in your bed, I will hold you in the